after the death of Meigs County Deputy Robert Leonard and the woman he was transporting. We wanted to learn about the rights of those who are detained. Leah Bowling looked into that.
Double yellow lines lead Blythe Ferry Lane into the Tennessee River. Now there are 2 warning signs and 3 sets of rumble strips, but that wasn't enough for Deputy Leonard, who authorities say was new to the area, to turn around. Robin Flores is a criminal defense attorney and also a former police officer. He has no ties to this case, but believes Tabitha Smith's family could take civil action.
There is a potential here because you got someone that has died, that was in police custody, and was solely reliant on the law enforcement officer and that law enforcement officer's agency to protect him.
Meigs County Deputy Robert R.J. Leonard was taking Smith to jail. Authorities believe he missed a turn, not knowing the road he was on ended in the water. Smith was handcuffed in the back seat. Flores says a person who's in the custody of law enforcement has a right to not be injured, killed, mistreated, or deprived of medical care.
Since they're at the mercy of the agency that has them in custody, they've got to rely on them. They can't rely on themselves.
He says the figure act in this case would be the failure to protect Smith in the back seat. Tennessee Statute 88301 says the sheriff does not have direct liability. However,
there is a statute under Tennessee Code 88302 which allows recovery from the county for the misconduct of their deputies, but it has to be pretty much deliberate misconduct.
That code states,
anyone incurring any wrong, loss, injury, damage as a result from any act or failure to act on the part of the deputy may bring suit. So that's your main claim.
The victim's family could also claim a constitutional violation, deprivation of bodily integrity. The 14th Amendment says that the state cannot deprive any person of life without due process of law. Flores says a potential defense from the county would be immunity.
Immunity under the Governmental Tort Liability Act. Immunity on qualified immunity if you bring a 14th Amendment claim, and that, or you can't meet the Monell standard, that there was some policy or some practice or pattern that had the force of policy. Those immunities are strong, and these governmental actors will play on it.
This isn't the first time someone has driven into the river on accident. Authorities say it happened last month, too. The woman in that case survived. Flores believes the officer's family could have a claim as well.
The officer's family may have a claim. If there's inadequate training and adequate equipping, there's definitely a workers' comp claim here. So it goes for both.
It's unclear if more signs, lights, or a gate will be installed to make this area a safer place for those who live here and visit. Reporting in Meigs County, I'm Leah Bowling, Local 3 News.